On Wednesday, the Federal Reserve cut its key interest rate by a quarter point, and it also signaled that it is likely to cut rates twice more this year. And over time, that should lower borrowing costs for things like mortgages, auto loans, and business loans, so could make it a little easier to buy a house down the road. Fed Chair Jerome Powell said hiring appears to have ground to a halt, and they are worried about the fact the unemployment rate has ticked up for the last 2 months. And their goal with this rate cut is to encourage more borrowing and spending in the hopes that that helps accelerate the economy and therefore encourage more hiring by businesses. President Donald Trump, of course, has demanded that Fed Chair Powell cut rates more quickly. The president was just able to get one of his appointees, Stephen Miron, onto the Fed's board. He was just sworn in Tuesday morning right before the meeting. He had been approved by the Senate late Monday, and he did dissent from the Fed's decision. He made clear he wanted to see a steeper cut in interest rates, but otherwise, everyone else on the Fed did support the move, and many economists worried there would be more dissension. But it appears that Chair Jerome Powell was able to get a pretty broad consensus, as usually happens, for their move today.